Welcome back, Futurama fans. Tonight we're going to draw Kiff from the Futurama series. It's finally about time that this alien finally got some respect. Getting started, we start with his upper half. His alien race are basically, he lives from a swamp, a really peaceful place. He's often joined forces with the Futurama gang 1,000 times. He's done quite a lot to support the team. He might even join the Futurama crew as well. And finished. That's how you draw a Kiff. And until next time, say no to drugs. Say yes to bite my shiny metal ass.